Hey everyone, today we're going to be checking out our new dash strobe lights. The packaging comes with a user and instruction manual, 8 double-sided stickers that you can utilize for installation as well, suction cups that you'll utilize for installation, and then the dash strobe lights. These windshield strobe lights come with 32 high-intensity LEDs. So even during the day, the lights will be bright and noticeable to oncoming drivers. These are also very bright and effective for any warnings or emergencies. These LED strobe lights are well made and extremely lightweight. They have a TRL light source, they have a low energy consumption, and a service life of 50,000 hours. And the case is nice and durable. It's made of PC, so it won't deform in the sunlight either. These strobe lights are also extremely easy to install in your window. The suction cups are very strong, so they can be placed on the front or rear windshield. They're easy to use in all your vehicles, and you don't have to use any tools to install them. They're also plug and play, and they have 29 different flash patterns that you can choose from through the display handle, with the last memory recall function as well as a custom mode. These will be perfect for late night calls, first responders, storm work, or any other emergency vehicles.